Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jolly Time popcorn without a microwave. First, you'll need your popcorn kernels, a good cooking oil like canola or coconut, and a large, heavy-bottomed pot with a tight-fitting lid. For best results, aim for about 2 tablespoons of oil for every 1/2 cup of kernels. This ratio helps ensure all kernels are coated and pop evenly. Once your oil is in the pot, heat it over medium-high heat until it just begins to shimmer. To test the temperature, add 3 or 4 kernels to the hot oil. When these test kernels pop, you know the oil is ready. Now, add the rest of your kernels, quickly cover the pot, and give it a gentle shake to coat everything. Keep the pot on the heat, shaking occasionally, until the popping sounds slow down significantly, usually to about 2 or 3 seconds between pops. At this point, remove the pot from the heat to prevent burning. Carefully pour your delicious, freshly popped corn into a large bowl. Now's the perfect time to add your favorite seasonings, like salt or melted butter. For the best popcorn, remember not to overcrowd your pot. Kernels need space to expand. Also, don't be afraid to experiment with different oils like coconut or even a touch of olive oil for unique flavor profiles. You can also try adding a pinch of sugar with the salt for a sweet and salty treat. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.